Hi friends, kite surfing considered to be one of the best sports to improve motor skills and spatial awareness. So this video is all about exploring kite features and learning flying techniques. The entire kite is foldable and comes in a pouch. Save this pouch so you can carry kite when traveling to your favorite spots. The pouch has got an integrated RF tag. Keep it safe and do not bend. You may require this to be eligible to return policy or replacement. Materials used are recyclable. This is only suitable for kids above 3 years and the product is CE marked, so it meets the regulatory standards for safety and performance. We have got the single line static kite, crossbar rod and a spool of line. The leading edge and spine poles are pre-installed. The poles are made up of 100% glass-filled fiber plastic. These are very strong and flexible enough. The pole has got caps at the ends, so it doesn't tear the fabric of the kite. The poles needs to be assembled in these pockets at the leading edges. The total span is 106 cm by 58 cm. And the eagle graphics looks really cool. Coming to the material, it is made up of 100% polyester. This is rip-top reinforcement fabric, which feels very durable and strong, and this will definitely have a longer lifespan. Next good point is, different segments of this kite are joined by stitching and no glue is used. Next, the spool is made up of polypropylene and has got a well-supported handle. Line is made of nylon and has got a length of 36 meters. As per spec, this can handle wind traction speed of 5 to 40 km per hour. Not in use, wind it tightly and snap in the slot so it doesn't get entangled. The line end has got a plastic hook which needs to be connected to the kite bridle. The kite is ready to fly. Wow! You can see the steady and perfect balancing. Full scores to the precise design and manufacturing. Next, let me show you some of the flying techniques. Before you start, watch out for high voltage lines and other obstacles as a measure of safety, and avoid using when there is heavy wind, rain and thunderstorms. Coming to the steering, if your kid is beginner, then the best way to start is little run with 2-meter line and the kite is off. Avoid crash on nose and dragging on the floor as much as possible. When there is dirt, you can give a hand wash with cold water and mild detergent. When your kid start having little control over the kite, then start practicing high launch technique. This is seeking help from a buddy to release the kite as you see, and start pulling line hand over hand while the kite gains altitude. The third method, when you have enough practice, then prop the kite against floor and simply pull the kite aloft and reel out as it gains the altitude. This kite, due to its perfect aerodynamic stability, you are able to bring it in control swiftly. At low winds, the kite is gentle with roll and yaw, but at high winds, the kite sportively shears the air with a fluttering sound. So friends, this kite is definitely an absolute choice and also lets you to learn the first complex freestyle kite tricks in a short span of time.